Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, Standard 8 and lesson number 12, equation in one variable. Already in previous standard, means 7th standard, we learn about the equation, we learn about the variables, correct? So this year also same rules and regulation we have to follow for this lesson. Very simple and easy lesson, okay? Now in 12.1, first practice it, 12.1 is there. When I explain the question, so that time I explain the rules, okay? So first of all, x minus 4 is equal to 3, and here we given the values of the x, okay? X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 7. First of all we have to put the values instead of x and we solve that expression, okay? Now see this, when we solve this equation, so now first we have to take x is equal to minus 1, okay? So instead of x we have to write down minus 1, okay? And minus 4 is equal to 3, we have to write down as it is. Now see children, same sign is there, okay? So add the number and put the same sign, is equal to 3, okay? So now x is minus 1, this is not the value of the for their equation. Why? Because when both the sides are equal, means right hand side and left hand side, when both the sides are equal, that time we have to say that this equation is a proper value we get, okay? Now x minus 1 is not suitable value for that equation, so now we have to take another value. So the value is, again we have to write down the question, then put the value of x, okay? Now I am taking the value x is equal to 7, so I am writing here 7 instead of x. Minus 4 is equal to 3. Now 7 minus 4, 3 is there. Got it? So this is our value. X is equal to 7. This is our value for this equation. Now next value we have to use x is equal to minus 7. Okay? So x minus 4 is equal to 3. Now minus 7 we have to write down instead of x. Now same sign is there. So addition. So 7 and 4, 12 is there, sorry 11 is there, and same sign we have to write down, so 3. So x is equal to minus 7, this is not the value of this equation. So the value of this equation is x is equal to 7. Got my point everyone? Simple and easy lesson is there. If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.